Hey guys, welcome to a new video by Technology Game God, and in this video I will be showing you how to insert a table in HTML. Alright, so HTML tables might seem a little bit hard at first, but as we delve deep into them, it becomes a lot easier. So in this video of tables number one, alright, so in this video I will be just telling you guys how to define a table and the basic elements of a table, and in the next video, I will be showing you how to format tables and define a lot more attributes of a table. For example, column span, row span, and even the table width and height and everything like that. Formatting will be done in the next video. So in this video, only the basics of tables will be covered. Alright, so here I have the code of my previous 4 videos dealing with the basics of HTML. Alright, so I will share the links of these 4 videos in the descriptions below. And before we start, I will ask you guys to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates about my new videos, and give this video a like. Alright, so to start, a table is basically defined with this tag, the table tag. Alright, so the table tag just defines that the code below is gonna be a table. Alright, so I'll just leave some lines and close that table tag. Alright, so inside the table tag we will be including the basic table elements. Alright, so inside the table tag we have three sub tags, which are the th, tr, and td tags. So these three tags stands for, this is the table heading, and this is the table row, and this is the table content which will be inside the rows. Alright, so this is the basic syntax inside a table tag. Alright, so it always starts with a sorry about that. So it always starts with this tag tr. So this tr tag defines the first row of a table. So inside the tr tag, so usually the first row of a table is a heading. So we will define the heading with the th tag. So inside the th tag we'll go some content. So I will say my, so that's our first th, and after that my next th is gonna be first, and the final th will be table in HTML. Alright, so those are my headings for my table. So if you clearly see that it's gonna have 3 columns. Alright, so 3 definitions like this for the heading, so it will have 3 columns. And the rows will be defined later. So I'll just close that tr tag. And after that, I can define my next row with another tr tag, and I will add some more information inside it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a 4 by 3 table with 4 rows and 3 columns, each with a different information need. Alright, so the code is quite same, but in the second tr, which is not a heading, we will be using the td tag for defining just the basic text. Alright, so here goes my second piece of text, apples. The second one is going to be bananas, and the third one will be grapes. Alright, so those are my second row of content, which is apples, bananas, and grapes. And I'm just gonna finish making 4 rows here. Alright, so the code is gonna be really simple, and alright, so I'm gonna start here and done. Alright, so here I have my 4 rows defined over here, each with a different content over here. So this is quite easy if you break it down a little by little. So this is the first row, this is the second row, this is the third row, and that's the fourth row. Alright, so and this is the first column, this is the second column of the first row, and this is the third column of the first row. Similarly, this is the first column of the second row, this is the second column of the second row, and so on till this is the third column of the fourth row. Alright, so I have the content of my table defined there, and I have closed my table tag here. Alright, so that's it for my basic table. Now let's run it and see if everything works. So I have it already opened here, so all I'm gonna do is just refresh the page and see my table here. Alright, so you can highlight the problem here easily. So you see that this doesn't look like a table, although we know that it is a table because it doesn't have any borders. Alright, so as you see these are the headings, the first row, the second, third and fourth row with different content. So now what we're gonna do is add borders to this table. Alright, so to add borders to the table, we have the border attribute of the table tag. So table border is gonna be equal to 1. So a border will be done with 1 pixels of width. Alright, so I'll just save that and sorry about that. I'll save that and I'll run it again. Okay, so now it looks like a fabulous table. I'll just zoom that a little bit. Okay, so this is my table here and it is quite nice. Alright, so what if we want this table to be of a different color? Then we use the BG color attribute of the table tag again. So just like the BG color attribute of the body tag, we are going to add a background color to this table. So it's going to be a little bit contrasting, so I'm going to use blue. Alright, so I will save that and I will run that again to see my table colored blue. Alright, so that's my basic table in HTML, and in the next video I will be dealing with formatting these tables, and tables have a lot of formatting options, so I will be covering all of them in my next video. Keep watch for it and goodbye, that's it. Have a good day and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.